Welcome to Unboxing Canada. Today we are gonna unbox a Nissan 2020. There's no 2021 for Nissan Pathfinder, so there's 2020. So we're gonna unbox that right now. Watch it out. So as you can see, first of all, we'll see from outside here. See how it is. This is how it looks. It's 4W titanium. So it looks. Right. So let's the button. So this is how it is. Okay. Let's see what is inside this car. So let's see the mileage first of all. Just to show you it is new. So how to get the mileage in. So do I need to click on that to get the mileage? How do I get the mileage? Oh yeah, there it is. It is 169 kilometers. So I drove it today from Milton to Toronto to try it and came back, and is that the 169 kilometers one? No, or 445. That might not be the mileage. Let's see how it works here. So I'm gonna click this button here. So is that the mileage? Oh, wait, that is the mileage. Drive assistant vehicle menu. So how it looks. It's from here to Toronto 169 now. It's gonna be like about 60 kilometers back and forward, and when I got it, it was like driven about 34 kilometers. So it might be that, yeah. So this is how to click the buttons here. Click the menu, front door. This is the FM, north, south, whatever, and no warnings. Drive assistant, vehicle settings, main menu selections, body color, maintenance, alarms, language. That's cool. So this is how it looks from inside, and this is how it is. I put it on T2W. I don't know exactly, but he explained to me when he got it. He said that you can use this all the time. But this one onto during the winter, and this is if the car is stuck in winter or desert, whatever, snow or whatever, then you lock this. And this is for climate, this is for audio, this is for the map, navigation settings, status. Okay, and yeah, This is the sunroof here, and then there's a sunroof there, and then here you can see that it has like 2 TVs on the side and on this side. What I like about this car when I check the other kind of cars is that this one here, let's see, the back seats are really amazing. So before we go there, let's just see what all these buttons are. I still have to try them on. It's radio, and this is basically for the seat. When we got the car, it was heating. Then we saw that someone just played with these, and then we closed it. While the guy was explaining to me before he gave me the car, I just kept on listening to him, and then I told him, you know what, can I stop you for a moment? He said, yeah, what's happening? Well, I see that there's a huge heat in the car. It's getting really hot. So what's happening here? Then he told me it is actually the heat was open, seat heat. So what I liked about this car is that here seats here, the Pathfinder is different from the what is our car on Toyota? You want to check, that's the Highlander. So the seats were not like this. The seats were like just normal ones. It's like after it is just added. But this one here, the seats are it's amazing, relaxable. The kids liked it, and as you can see here. So yeah, I hope that one day when this channel grows up and it becomes popular, the big car dealers will send us a car as a gift to unbox it. But yeah, it's just the start. This is the first time we do unboxing for a car. I don't know if you guys want to call it unboxing, but it's just new. And here at the beginning of this video, you'll see that we started I started started the video with when I got the car, at the time before I drove the car. As you can see here, there's a wave system. I wonder what this is. I think I know what it's called, but this is an extra thing. So click on this button here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching unboxing of the car. I don't know if it doesn't come out of the box, but just new. So yeah, thank you guys. Guys, don't forget to share, subscribe, like, so we can unbox in future new cars with Unboxing Canada. But wait for the moment when dealers or whatever the car company send us a car to unbox it. And guys, don't forget to share, subscribe, like. Thank you. And here at the beginning of this video, you'll see that we started I started started the video with when I got the car, at the time before I drove the car. As you can see here, there's a wave system. I wonder what this is. I think I know what it's called, but this is an extra thing. So click on this button here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching unboxing of the car. I don't know if it doesn't come out of the box, but just new. So yeah, thank you guys. Guys, don't forget to share, subscribe, like, so we can unbox in future new cars with Unboxing Canada. But wait for the moment when dealers or whatever the car company send us a car to unbox it. And guys, don't forget to share, subscribe, like. Thank you.